Daily use English sentences. Use of are in sentences. Are you tired? Are you tired? We are not happy. We are not happy. Are you new here? Are you new here? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You are a doctor. You are a doctor. How are you? How are you? All men are equal. All men are equal. Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you going to? Are you going to? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? Are you serious? Are you serious? My parents are old. My parents are old. Where are we? Where are we? My eyes are tired. My eyes are tired. Lemons are sour. Lemons are sour. The lights are out. The lights are out. They are students. They are students. The waves are high. The waves are high. They are pretty. They are pretty. These cats are big. These cats are big. How are you, John? How are you, John?